Who raised a hand? Oh, okay, come on up here, sir. And what is your name? Darren and Nia. Okay, so these two faithful volunteers are going to be doing sound effects for our two actors. That's right, our two improvisers are going to be doing a scene, and you will be doing the sound effects for Kevin, and you will be doing the sound effects for Jack. And you can do whatever you want, just sound effects only, and they will respond to you, and you can also respond to what they're doing, so it can go either way. So, and it doesn't have to make sense, so don't worry, they'll justify what you're doing. All right? So and do plenty of sound effects, don't worry about it. So for example, if Kevin shut a door, go ahead, and you would, there you go. It's a freedom. And if Kevin threw a bowling ball, it would do something like this. I mean, not Kevin, Jack. Yeah, Jack. All right. I've got Kevin's ass on my mind.
Hey, we're not in West Virginia anymore.
Show, buddy. All right, so we're going to need a suggestion. Where would you not want to take your kids on vacation?
Y'all go.
West Virginia.
Delco it is.
Hey, Dad, how you doing?
Eddie, come on, we're going to Marcus Hub. Oh my God, that's the siren. There's a fire at that plane. Look, oh my God, it's up in flames.
Marcus Hook, the Peter Pan thing?
And now stuff's falling. Boy, what a weird sound that made. We'll walk through the rubble now.
Okay.
The fire company's coming.
This is scary, Papa.
They'll put it out, but I'm afraid I'm out of work, buddy.
How are we going to survive?
Just like we always have.
We're going to shoot.
I don't know, I talked right over it.
I think it was a pterodactyl.
Holy shit, prehistoric birds and Marcus Hook?
I think we should maybe have some guns, Papa.
Hang on, let me go. That one just went off. Hey, you dropped one. Fire-breathing freaking pterodactyl.
What is that? Is that a cheesesteak coming out? Oh! Is that another cheesesteak coming? Oh no! And another one? And another! Skeet shoot! I decided to eat my cheesesteak. I don't like it, Papa. I'm gonna have to spit it out.
That was silent. That's amazing. Whole mouthful.
Oh, Papa!
Yes,
A
Ed.
baby! carriage over there.
Hang on. Now, Missy. Yeah, hop in.
Oh, but
Put this gun down. Oh, yeah.
the baby cat's a little gassy.
She must have been eating that cheesesteak.
All right,
Giddy up.
let's do it. Oh! I think that horse died. Maybe we can hail that cab over there. Come here!
Sorry, sir, not open.
Is it one of those robotic cabs?
It is. You don't have to tip.
That's not true.
Yes, of course. So, about those pterodactyls. Sounds like a cat. Now the pterodactyl's at the cat. What are we gonna do now?
I'm gonna throw my cat away.
Okay, nice guy. This all started with a fire at the refinery. I'm expecting to see ghouls just walk out of there on fire. You know what I mean?